going for my morning walk. Definitely did not want to go, but I'm doing it, and I know I'll feel better later. Even if you can just get out for 15 minutes or longer, you'll thank yourself later. I'm actually going to go buy some weights today. A 10 pound, they're only 10-pound weights, but it's a start. And I haven't lifted weights in years and years. So I read online we should start light. So that's the plan. If you have any tips for beginners as far as weightlifting goes, message me, leave a comment, and I'll take your tips. So, do you want to join with me? Do you want to do this? The 10-pound weights are super cheap. I found them at Sport Check for $11 Canadian. So I have some other cheaper items coming as well that I'll share with you when they arrive. So follow along and yeah, leave me those tips. Thanks, guys.